Hello all, this is Aishwarya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll see how to make kottu parota. People who are very fond of street food will know this and absolutely love this. And it's super easy to make. There are many ways of doing kottu parota. Today we'll see an authentic way of making kottu parota, to which we'll be adding a curry called salna. First, let's see how to do the salna. Take a kadai and heat it for a while and then add about 3 teaspoons of oil and wait for it to heat. The salna that we are making now serves one person, that is for 3 parotas. Now add about half a cup of onion chopped and some curry leaves. Stir them well until the onion turns into golden brown color. Now add half tomato chopped finely and stir it well. Once when the tomato is cooked, add about 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well until the raw smell goes away. Now to this add about 1.5 teaspoon of chicken masala powder that is readily available in the shop. This chicken masala powder itself contains all the spices, so we need not to add anything separately. Mix well and add about 250 ml of water and bring it to boil. Add salt as per your taste. This is the easiest way to make salna. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. There are many other ways to do salna which I'll show in my further videos. This salna tastes good, especially for this kottu parota that we're gonna make. It adds a unique flavor. At this consistency, switch off the stove. The salna is ready. Try it with the dosa and plain parota also. It tastes good. Now let's see how to make the kottu parota. Take a pan and add about 5 teaspoons of oil and let it heat. Once when the oil is heated, add about half onion chopped finely. Stir it well, add some curry leaves and 1 green chili chopped finely and keep stirring it until the raw smell goes away. Now to this add about half of small tomato chopped finely. Do not add more than that as it gives a strong tangy flavor which will not taste good. Since the salna is the base for this kottu parota, we'll be adding only half teaspoon of chili powder. That is the only spice we're gonna add, and in the end we'll be adding pepper powder. That is totally optional. If you want to be super spicy, then you can add pepper powder. We have added 1 green chili and half chili powder, and there is a spice in the salna as well, so this is more than enough. Now to the mix we'll add 3 shredded parota. I have shredded the parota in mixer. It is easier that way. Now mix this completely. Now to this mix I'm adding 2 eggs. More the eggs, merrier is the kottu parota, so you can add between 2 to 4 eggs as per your taste. Keep mixing it well until the eggs get cooked. At this stage, I'm adding 1 cup of salna that I cooked earlier and keep mixing it well. I am not adding salt as parota and the curry, the salna, both contains salt. If you feel the salt is a bit less, you can add it as per your taste. The beauty of kottu parota is to hit, meaning shred the parota in a way that the salna gets into the parota and it gives a beautiful flavor. So try shredding the parota as much as possible while cooking. Once when the shredding process is done, at last add some pepper powder as per your taste. Mix it well and leave it for about 1 to 2 minutes in medium flame and then switch off the stove. Super yummy, colorful kottu parota is now ready to serve. While eating the kottu parota, make sure you add some more salna on the top, mix it well and then eat it. It is just a different feeling. People who know kottu parota and have ate it before will know what I'm talking about. I myself have craved for kottu parota many a times. It's just delicious. People who don't know, do try the recipe now that it is very easy. You can cook all by yourself. It will become your new favorite food, trust me. Do try the recipe and let me know how it was in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Tata, take care, bye bye.